How to get 50% off Uber Eats coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now at the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Uber Eats coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Uber Eats. Once you're in the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. $20 off, $25 off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then click on redeem at Uber Eats. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, log into your account. Browse through the items and select the items that you want to order. Proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Simply Codes, as this is also the genuine website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Uber Eats. So this way you can easily get up to 50% off working coupon code for Uber Eats. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.